Hi friends, remember last week I challenged you to make some 2D shapes using jelly beans and toothpicks. We made a square together. We also made a triangle with jelly beans and toothpicks. There were a couple shapes that weren't on our chart, trapezoid and octagon. There are lots of 2D shapes you could make. In fact, I made, let's see if you can guess what shape this is. A pentagon. Yeah, I made a pentagon. It's got 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 vertices. Those are our jelly beans. And then check out this shape. What shape is this? What 2D shape did I make? A trapezoid, yeah. And I had to take 2 of my toothpicks and tape them together. A trapezoid has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 vertices. Our jelly beans are the vertices. Well, if you didn't make some 2D shapes with jelly beans yet, I challenge you to do that today. Hopefully you have some jelly beans from your Easter basket, because we're going to start learning about 3D shapes this week. Now, 3D shapes are not flat shapes. 2D shapes are flat. 3D shapes take up space, and I want to introduce some 3D shapes to you in case you don't already know them. Do you know what this 3D shape is? It has a circle on the bottom, but then it takes up space. In fact, if I hold it like this, what does it look like? An ice cream cone. You've got it. Well, guess what? This 3D shape is called a cone. Yeah, it's a cone. This is a cone. I bet you've seen this 3D shape before. Do you know what this is? A cube. Yeah, all the sides look like what? What do all the sides look like? They look like a square, but this is not a flat shape. It takes up space. Every single side looks like a square. This is called a cube. Good job. Maybe you've got a dice or a block that looks like a cube. Do you know what 3D shape this is? Now the ends look like a square, but the sides look like a rectangle. Yeah, this one is called a rectangular prism. Can you say it? Rectangular prism. Good job. Okay, we've got a couple more. Do you know what shape this is? This is a 3D shape. It's got a circle on the ends. It's called a cylinder. Good job. A cylinder. Looks like a can of soup or a can of pop, huh? Okay, we've got 2 more. Now this does look like a ball, but that's not the name of this shape. It's called a sphere. Can you say it? Sphere. Good job. And a sphere does look like a ball. It reminds me of a circle, but remember, a circle is a flat 2D shape. A 3D shape takes up space. So this is a sphere. One more that I'd like to teach you. Do you know what this is? This is a pyramid. Yeah. And it looks like, what shape does it look like on each side? Looks like a triangle. Look at the bottom. What shape is on the bottom? A square, yeah, but this is called a pyramid. So we're going to practice learning all these 3D shapes this week. In fact, if I can maybe set them up here, I don't know if you'll be able to see all of them, but we will set our 3D shapes up here. I may have to, oh, there we go. It's sitting up there. Do you see all of them? We've got, let's see if we can say them again. We've got sphere, cylinder, rectangular prism, cube, pyramid, and cone. Good job. Well, I've got a poem this week that I'd just like to share with you, and then we'll practice it each day. It's called 3D Shapes. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere is like a bouncy ball. A rectangular prism is like a building tall. If we turn this, does it look like a tall building? It does. A cylinder is like a can of pop. A cube is like the dice you drop. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Good job. Well, that poem is all about 3D shapes, and we are going to practice 3D shapes tomorrow. In fact, I want you to make sure you finish making your 2D shapes with jelly beans, because tomorrow we're going to try to make some 3D shapes using jelly beans and toothpicks. Okay? I'll see you later. Bye, kiddos.